The Ride1Up Cafe Cruiser isn't just an electric bike, it's a testament to the harmonious blend of style, comfort, and utility in the realm of e-mobility. This review isn't merely about assessing an e-bike, it's about celebrating a lifestyle where the joy of cruising is amplified by the ease and efficiency of electric power. With its sophisticated design and functional prowess, the Cafe Cruiser from Ride1Up emerges as a standout in the bustling world of e-bikes, offering a unique experience that seamlessly integrates leisure and practicality. Assembly of the Cafe Cruiser is straightforward, fostering a deep connection between the rider and their bike. From attaching the wheel and handlebar to setting up the seat and pedals, each step is an invitation to understand and appreciate the craftsmanship of this e-bike. Now let's dive into the step-by-step assembly guide for the Ride1Up Cafe Cruiser e-bike. Assembling your e-bike correctly is crucial for a safe and enjoyable riding experience. Okay, first let's remove the e-bike from the box. Begin with carefully opening the box in an area with enough space to work. Gently lift the e-bike out of the box, ensuring not to damage any components during the process. Lay the e-bike down on a clean and flat surface. Next, we install the handlebars. Locate the handlebars and the stem in the packaging. Carefully align the handlebars with the stem, ensuring they are straight and level. Tighten the bolts securely using the provided Allen wrench. Next step is installing the front tire. Locate the front tire and the fork of the bike. Slide the front tire's axle into the fork, ensuring that it fits securely. Secure the front tire in place by using the provided hardware. Next, I'll install the pedals. Identify the left and right pedals. The left pedal usually has a reverse thread. Thread the pedals into the respective crank arms, turning them clockwise right pedal and counterclockwise left pedal to tighten. Ensure the pedals are securely attached. Next, I'll move on to installing the front headlight. Locate the front headlight and its mounting bracket. Attach the bracket to the front handlebars using the provided hardware. Secure the front headlamp to the bracket and tighten. Next, let's test the e-bike. Before riding, test the e-bike to ensure it accelerates properly. Check the throttle and pedal assist features to ensure they are responsive. Make any necessary adjustments to the controls or settings. Next, I'll inflate the tires. The Chaoyang tires are rated for a maximum inflation of 35 psi. On loose, bumpy terrain, lower pressure helps with shock absorption, while also giving you more traction since more of the tire comes in contact with the ground. And for the final step, charging the battery, connect the e-bike's charger to the battery's charging port. Plug the charger into a standard electrical outlet. Allow the battery to charge fully, which may take several hours depending on its initial state of charge. The Cafe Cruiser is designed for those who cherish the relaxed vibe of a casual ride, but also seek the added benefits of electrical assistance. This bike is a perfect fusion of comfort, style, and functionality, making it a great choice for many kinds of riders. Upon first glance of the XR step-over frame of the Cafe Cruiser exudes an air of classic elegance. The lightweight alloy frame with its sleek lines and upright riding position promises a ride that's as comfortable as it is stylish. The plush Comfort Cruiser saddle and ergonomic handlebars ensure a relaxed posture, making long rides a breeze. But the Cafe Cruiser is more than just a pretty frame. At its heart lies a powerful 48-volt geared hub Bafang motor, offering 750 watts of sustained power. This motor, combined with a 48-volt 15-amp battery, provides a smooth and robust riding experience, capable of reaching up to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist and 20 miles per hour using throttle only. Whether cruising through city streets or taking on gentle hills, the Cafe Cruiser delivers consistent performance, with a range of 30 to 50 miles depending on various factors like terrain and rider input. The bike's user-friendly KD21C adjustable speed display keeps the rider informed and in control, while the integrated sensitive cadence sensor ensures a responsive and intuitive riding experience. The Sandstorm 26-inch by 3-inch Chaoyang tires offer stability and grip essential for both urban and light off-road adventures. Safety is key, and the Cafe Cruiser addresses this with its Zoom 180mm hydraulic brakes. Equipped with an electric cutoff sensor, this braking system provides reliable stopping power, essential for the unpredictable nature of urban riding. Utility is another cornerstone of the Cafe Cruiser's design. The rear rack, rated for 150 pounds, is perfect for carrying groceries, gear, or even a passenger with the optional passenger kit. The inclusion of fenders, a bright front light, and a rear light enhances both practicality and safety of the bike, making it a reliable companion for both day and night rides. Embarking on a journey through the North Georgia mountains aboard the Ride1Up Cafe Cruiser e-bike is not just an excursion. It's an experience that intertwines the rider with the serenity and challenges of the natural world. This journey is about exploring the e-bike's capabilities and immersing oneself in an environment where paved roads blend into gravel paths, steep hills challenge one's resolve, and wildlife like deer add an element of surprise. The first stretch of the journey unfolds on a smooth, paved road, a gentle introduction of what lies ahead. The bike's upright position and plush saddle make for a comfortable start, allowing me to take in the scenic beauty that surrounds me. The quiet hum of the 750-watt motor is a reminder of the power at my disposal, a subtle yet empowering presence. As the journey progresses, the paved road gradually gives way to gravel. This transition is seamless thanks to the Sandstorm 26-inch by 3-inch Chaoyang tires, which grip the shifting surface with confidence. The change in terrain is a nudge out of comfort, a call to adventure that the Cafe Cruiser answers with poise. The North Georgia mountains are renowned for their steep inclines, a true test of endurance and will. Here, the Cafe Cruiser's motor demonstrates its true capability. 750-watt power eases the ascent, turning arduous climbs into exhilarating experiences. It's on these slopes that one truly appreciates the symbiosis of human and machine, the bike's electric assistance complementing the rider's effort, making the climb achievable and even enjoyable. As the journey unfolds, roads less traveled beckon. On a traditional bike, these might be dismissed as too challenging or too remote, but the Cafe Cruiser is an enabler of exploration. Its electric power, a key to unlocking these hidden routes. It encourages detours, inviting the rider to venture into areas previously unconsidered to discover the undiscovered. Riding an e-bike in this setting is a lesson in harmony. The near-silent motor ensures that the natural soundscape remains undisturbed. The absence of emissions is a nod to the environmental responsibility. It's a way to be in nature without imposing on it, experiencing the landscape in its purest form. As the ride nears its end, there's a sense of fulfillment. The Cafe Cruiser has been more than a bike. It's been a companion, a facilitator of experiences that transcend the usual ride. The North Georgia mountains, with their blend of beauty and challenge, have been traversed, not just physically, but emotionally. The Ride1Up Cafe Cruiser e-bike is not just a mode of transportation, it's a vehicle for adventure, a means to engage with the environment in a way that's both exhilarating and respectful. This journey through the North Georgia mountains has been a testament to the e-bike's capabilities and the unique experiences it facilitates. It's a reminder that sometimes to truly connect with a place, you need the right companion, and the Cafe Cruiser is truly that. In conclusion, the Ride1Up Cafe Cruiser e-bike is not just a means of transportation, it's a lifestyle choice. It offers a unique blend of comfort, style, and functionality, making it an ideal choice for those who seek a relaxed yet efficient way to navigate their world. Whether it's leisurely riding through the park, a quick trip to the store, or a comfortable commute, the Cafe Cruiser stands ready to enhance the experience with its electric charm and user-friendly features. This e-bike is a true cruiser at heart, promising a blissful and comfortable journey every time you ride. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny signing off. We'll see you on the next one.